Hello guys, and welcome to another episode of Power Playground. This is your host Michael, and today I'm going to be showing you how to soundproof a case DIY style. This is more of an experiment than anything. Basically what I wanted to do is I want to see if we can use car soundproofing, otherwise known as Dynamite is its common brand name. Of course, this is some off-brand stuff I bought for my car about a year or so ago. So I'm going to see if I can put this inside this case that's very loud. I'm going to show you a sound recording clip first. And just to kind of give you a representation of what it sounds like right now. So let's go ahead and cut to that. Alright, so that's the sound recording there. Pretty loud. Definitely can hear it. Now what we're going to do is we're going to get our ingredients here, our tools and such. We need a roller. Usually these come with, if you get any sort of sound dampening or sound insulation like this, it'll come with a roller just to apply it. May need a screwdriver to open up the computer case. This one's thumbs just for some. Then X-Acto knife, and of course our good old sound deadening here. Also, to clean up, we need alcohol or isopropyl alcohol and paper towels. And of course, sometimes this will come with a cleaning solution, but I've lost it, so we're gonna go ahead and use rubbing alcohol in lieu. So let's go ahead and power this computer down, and then I'm gonna apply some soundproofing on the panels, especially this big one right here. That's the main one I want to focus on because this window lets out so much noise. So let's go ahead and give it a try. All right, unplug our power cord for safety. After the PC is powered down, clean off any surfaces you wish to apply sound deadening solution to. Now cut and apply sound deadening materials and attach them to the sides of the case. Use the roller to pat it down. Sometimes if you get in like really tight corner, you can use like an end of a pen or an X-Acto knife like I'm doing here. Let's keep applying more sound deadening material to the sides of the case. The more material you use, the more sound it can absorb. Also, you will want to use pretty thick sound deadening material if you want to block out a lot of sound. Oh, and make sure not to block any screw holes, hinges, or needed fan vents. Alright, looks like we are all done. Now let's compare before and after. Alright, thanks for watching this video here, guys. This is how you soundproof a case here. And yeah, I just want to let y'all know that this particular material I have, it's more meant for reducing rattles. Really thin material, the thicker the better, as I mentioned before. And also, thanks for sticking with me. I know the audio has probably changed a little bit, but yeah, I had to record in 3 different ways because this original audio crapped out on me. So thanks for putting up with that. And hey, if you like this video, hit that like button and then hit that subscribe button. And thank you for watching.